In this quick guide, you'll learn how to change your Chime username. Whether you're looking to update your current username to something fresh or simply need to correct a typo, I'm here to walk you through the process step by step. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open the Chime app on your mobile device. Make sure you're signed into your account. If you're not already logged in, simply enter your username and password to access your account. Having direct access to your account is crucial as it allows you to make personal changes such as updating your username. Once you're in the app, direct your attention to the bottom of the screen. You'll see a menu bar, and from there, tap on the profile option. This will take you to your account settings where you can manage various aspects of your profile. Now, scroll down until you find the section labeled Personal Info. This is where your key account details are stored, including your Chime username. Your Chime username, often referred to as your Chime sign, is crucial for your account identity. Next to your current Chime username, you'll notice a small pencil icon. This icon represents the edit function. Go ahead and tap on it. This will open up a field where you can enter a new username. Choose a username that represents you well, and remember, this is how others will identify you on Chime. Once you've typed in your new username, don't forget to save the changes. There's usually a save button or a check mark that allows you to confirm the update. By saving these changes, your new Chime sign will be updated in the system. And just like that, your Chime username is changed. Your new username is now visible on your account and you're all set. This quick tutorial has shown you exactly how to update your Chime username, making it easy to personalize your account to better suit your needs. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks.